Welcome to the temporary outdoor exhibit of artist Dale Lewis at the Museum of the Shenandoah Valley in Winchester, Virginia. Scrapasaurs. Made of recycled materials and welded by self-taught hobby welder and former electrical technician and machinist Dale Lewis, was created basically to just be fun. Its exhibit window is from April 1st through October 19th, 2025. Dotted in and around the 7-acre Glen Burnie Gardens on the 214-acre campus of the MSV are 14 of these metal marvels. Here are just a few that we caught while spending a day at this amazing property. See the links below for the MSV's main page, the museum's page on the event, the artist website, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.